Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading gold. There's been a lot of interest in gold lately, and so we're going to be utilizing two indicators. And the two indicators that I have set up here are the RSI indicator here, relative strength index indicator, and the momentum indicator. So we have our indicators set up here. Now, if we go into the indicator settings of the RSI, I have the period set to 7, and in the style settings, I've disabled the 70 and the 30 line. In the default settings, they're enabled, but we don't need them. We only need the main line, which I've set to green 3 pixels, and the middle line, the 50 line, which I've also set to white and 3 pixels. Okay. And for the momentum indicator here, the indicator settings, the period, I've set the period also to 7, and in my style settings, I've change the main line from histogram, which is the default setting, to line. So we just want one regular line here, and I've set the line to 3 pixels so we can see the line a little bit better. All right, so you save that. And for my candlestick chart, I have the chart set to 1 minute candles, regular Japanese candles. And for the trade timer, I've also set it to 1 minute or M1. So I'll be taking 60-second trades. So let me look for some goal setups and come back to you. Okay, so I just took a buy trade on gold here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is the RSI line crossed from below the 50 line to above the 50 line when I took the trade. And in addition to that, the momentum line also showed a positive trend, an upward trend here when I took the trade. It's kind of reversed a little bit, retraced back to the 50 line here, but I'm anticipating the price will continue upward at the end of the 60 seconds. So let's watch this trade. Okay, so we won that trade. So let me pause the video and wait for the next goal setup. Okay, so I just took a sell trade on gold here. And the reason why I took the sell trade here is I'm anticipating the RSI line. If you look at the RSI line, it's just started pushing under the 50 line here. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a downward sloping direction. So we have two confirmations here. The line, the RSI line goes below the 50 line here. It's moving below the 50 line ever so slightly. And the momentum is showing the same bearish direction here to the downside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, I'm gonna pause the video and wait for the next gold trade. Okay, so I just took a buy trade on gold, a call trade. And the reason I took the call trade here is the RSI line just crossed over the 50 line here in an upward direction. In addition to that, the momentum line is showing a positive sloping upward direction. So I went ahead and took the buy trade because I believe the price will continue to move upward over the next 60 seconds above the entry price I took on the trade here. So let's watch this. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm back on gold here, and I just took a put trade or a sell trade here. Reason why I took the trade here, you see the RSI just crossing over below the 50 line. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a sharp downward push to the downside. Okay, it kind of retraced a little bit, but the trigger is that the RSI line hits below the price closed below the 50 line on the RSI. So I'm anticipating the price of gold will continue downward from the entry price that I took. So let's watch this trade. Wow, great. See that? It just closed a few seconds left. It closed below the entry points. We won that trade. All right. Let's uh let's look for one more trade. Okay, so I was trying to look for another trade, but it looks like gold is not really cooperating. We're headed up toward the end of the trading day, so there's not much price action as you can see here. So I've decided to cut the session short here. But in any event, if you like the strategy, uh, please give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. Share the video. Comment if you like about what you think about the strategy. I have a link to the platform in the channel comments and or in the channel description if you're interested in trading my gold strategy. Uh, yeah, so thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.